Hi.
Hello,
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Veronica.
Alex.
Awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time to do this. We really, really appreciate it. And so, yeah, we just wanted to sort of reach out to our homeowners and talk a little bit about, you know, why they chose green home systems. But first of all, just wanted to ask you, what was your reason for going solar in general?
Um, Government incentives that was and programs out here in the area for Ceres, and just to lower my utility bill, my light bill.
Mhm. Gotcha. And so then in the end, what was your story kind of like when I think you had mentioned, we talked a little bit on the phone earlier, you mentioned something about how you found green home systems, and then ultimately, why did you decide to go with green home systems?
Oh, well, first I just went online to look for solar panels in general in the area, and Green Home was one of the companies I found easier to contact and very helpful when it came to customer service.
That's great to hear. Yeah, we do strive to sort of like, make it really easy for our customers to get in contact with us and like just have a really good rapport with everyone. So, and then yeah, so just, just off the top of your head, what what do you think is like one or two or more positive things that you think you could share with us about your experience, like why, like I know why you ultimately went with us, but then anything that you could share that you liked or that you like now.
Well, you guys are very helpful. From the first day I got in contact with you until the contract actually went to my house and give me all the information, what was going to go with the panels, how everything was going to be installed. The customer service was really well since the first time I got in contact with you guys until the contractor actually went to my house and explained how the whole installation was going to be, how much time he was going to take until when he finished picking up and cleaning up all the equipment towards the end. So I thought it was really great uh, work you did in general, and everyone did in general.
That's great. Okay, great. I'm so happy to hear that. So thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me. We really appreciate, the most important thing is that you're happy with your solar, of course, and the experience overall. And yeah, just thanks so much for taking the time to do this.
Thank you guys.